Does Sharp make smart TVs? Yes, Sharp manufactures smart TVs with different operating systems, including Android TV, Roku TV, and AQUOS Net Plus. These smart TVs provide access to popular streaming apps, internet browsing, and screen mirroring features, making them a great choice for home entertainment. First, Sharp Smart TV operating systems. Sharp Smart TVs come with various OS options. Android TV offers Google Assistant, Chromecast, and access to the Google Play Store for apps. Roku TV features an easy-to-use interface with thousands of streaming channels and free live TV. AQUOS Net Plus, a basic smart TV platform with essential streaming services and apps. Second, features of Sharp Smart TVs. Sharp Smart TVs include built-in streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Hulu. Voice control with Google Assistant or Alexa, available on Android and Roku models. Screen mirroring via Miracast, Chromecast, or AirPlay, depending on the model. 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Dolby Vision on premium models for enhanced picture quality. 3. How to identify a Sharp Smart TV. Step 1. Check the TV box or user manual for Smart TV or OS branding, Android TV, Roku TV, etc. Step 2. Press the Home button on the remote. If the interface shows streaming apps, it's a Smart TV. Step 3. Look for an app store such as Google Play, Roku Channel Store, or AQUOS Net Plus. Fourth, benefits of Sharp Smart TVs. Affordable pricing compared to other brands. Diverse OS options to suit different user preferences. Easy streaming and app access without needing external devices. 5. What to do if a Sharp TV is not a smart TV. If you have a non-smart Sharp TV, you can make it smart by connecting a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Using a game console, PlayStation, Xbox, with streaming app support. Plugging in a PC or laptop via HDMI for direct internet access on the TV. Sharp continues to make smart TVs with various operating systems, offering users a range of choices for streaming, gaming, and entertainment. With multiple features and affordable pricing, Sharp Smart TVs remain a competitive option in the market.